students, now I am going to start question number 3, which is solved by completing square. In this method we have to follow some steps, so I will complete this question step by step. First step is you have to make coefficient of x square 1. If x square has coefficient other than one number, so we must make it 1. So first step will be dividing both sides by 7. 7x square by 7 plus 2 by 7 minus 1 by 7 and 0 by 7 equal to 0. So it will be cancelled out. The equation will be x square plus 2 by 7x minus 1 by 7 is equal to 0. Now moving towards second step. Second step is shifting constant to the right side of the equation. So it will become x square plus 2 by 7x is equal to 1 by 7. This is the second step. Now moving towards third step, which is adding 1 by 2, adding square of square of 1 by 2 multiply coefficient of x on both sides. Mean coefficient of x is 2 by 7, so we multiply it by 1 by 2 multiply 2 by 7. It will become 1 by 7. So we add square of 1 by 7 on both sides of the equation. Then equation will be x square plus 2 by 7x plus 1 by 7 whole square is equal to 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 whole square. This is the third step. I am going to repeat it. Third step is adding square of 1 by 2 multiply coefficient of x on both sides of the equation. Now look at this equation. Here a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square formula will be completed, so we will close it. A square plus 2ab plus b square. See this one, a square plus 2, a is equal to x, b is equal to 1 by 7 plus b square is equal to 1 by 7 plus 1 by 49. 1 by 7 whole square is equal to 1 by 49. I am going to close the formula. X plus 1 by 7 whole square. And on this side I am going to take the LCM. 49 will be the LCM. 7 times equal to 49. So we multiply 1 by 7 plus 1. Now the next step is x plus 1 by 7 whole square is equal to 8 by 49. Now the next step is we have to remove this square. So I am going to taking square root on both sides. It will become x plus 1 by 7 whole square root, and this will become square root 8 by 49. Square and square root will be cancelled out. remaining equation will be x plus 1 by 7. We can write 8 into 4 multiply 2 by 49. Step is x plus 1 by 7 is equal to square root 4 is equal to 2, and we will apply plus minus sign when we remove square root on both sides. Plus minus sign will be put out. 2 square root 2 by 7. To find the solution, x mean we find the value of x. So plus 1 by 7 will become minus 1 by 7 when we change its place. Plus minus 2 square root 2 by 7. Denominator is the same, so it will become minus 1 plus minus 2 square root 2 by 7. So this is the solution set of this equation. Students, I hope so you understand the question. I am going to repeat the steps of this question. First of all, you have to make coefficient of x square equal to 1. Second step will be shifting constant term on the right side of the equation. Third step is adding square of 1 by 2 multiply coefficient of x on both sides of the equation. Then fourth step will be we have to close the formula a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. It depends upon the situation what question is given to you. And then the last step will be you have to remove the square by taking square root on both sides of the equation. At last, I am leaving an activity for you. You have to follow the steps which I explained. So you should do this question.